Good morning, children. Yes. How you are doing? Doing good? Yes. I hope you are doing good and great. Yes. So come back to the another online class of grade 2 EVS. Okay. So we already started block 3 pet animals. Okay. Then today we are going to take the last lesson from the block 3 pet animals, that is taking care of pets. Okay, taking care of pets. Okay, before that you have to ready with your content book. Okay, textbook. Okay, this page number, see this first pet animals, this. Okay, yes, then workbook. Okay, page number 22. Okay, if you have a baby in your home, how you will take care that baby? How? Yes, you will make it comfortable, right? You will make it comfortable, right? You may give food, right? You may give it bath. Then see, you will make it comfortable. Okay, you will do whatever for to make it comfortable, right? So children, do we need to take care of our pets? Do we need to take care of our pets? Yes. Right. We have to take care of our pets. Okay. So, for that, so see, okay. So you have to take your content book. Okay. See, there is a story. Understood? There is a story. See, the story of a pet dog. Okay. So I will read that story. Okay, so along with me, okay, you have to read the story and you have to do what? See, circle the words. Okay, circle the words that relate to taking care of pets. Okay, from the textbook itself. Understood? I will read the story and along with me, you also have to read the story and also you have to do what? Circle the words. Okay, circle the words that relate to taking care of pets. Okay, the textbook itself. Understood? So I will read the story. Okay, so Aman has a pet dog called Jack. Okay, so a boy named Aman. Understood? A boy named Aman has a pet dog called Jack. Understood? It is a small dog with black spots on its white body. Okay. It has long ears that hang out. One evening, as usual, Aman took Jack out for a walk. Suddenly, it started raining. Okay. Aman quickly picked Jack up in his arms and ran towards a shed. Okay, the rain did not stop. Aman took off his jacket and covered Jack with it. He ran to the house, but both of them got very wet. Then, Aman quickly wiped Jack with a towel. Okay, see, you are circling the words that relate to taking care of pets. Okay, so then Aman quickly wiped Jack with a towel. Then he made him lie on his cozy, warm bed. Okay, then Jack started sneezing and had fever. Then Aman gave him milk and bread to eat. He then took Jack to a doctor and bought him medicines. Then Aman sat with Jack and patted his back all night. Then Jack was better when he woke up next morning. Understood? See, you have circled. See? Which are the words you circled related to taking care of pets? Which are the words? See, Aman quickly picked up Jack in arms and ran towards a shed. Then the rain did not stop. Aman took off his jacket and covered covered. Circle covered. Then he ran to the house. Both of them got very wet. Then Amen quickly wiped. Then wiped. Circle wiped. Then he made him lie on his cozy warm bed. Cozy means a comfortable bed. Okay, cozy warm bed. Circle cozy. Then Jack started sneezing and had a fever. Then Haman gave him milk. Circle milk. And bread. Circle bread also. Then Amen took to a doctor. Circle doctor. Then and bought him medicines. Circle medicines. Then Amen sat with Jack and patted. Patted means pat. Okay, then yes, patted. Circle patted. Okay, so we have read a story. The boy named Amen, how he took care of his pet dog. Okay, so what happened to Jack? See, the Jack got wet in the rain. Then first Amen, what did? See, the Amen wiped the wet and gave him milk and bread, and he kept in a cozy bed, and he took to the animal doctor and bought medicines and patted all night. Okay, so this is the way the Amen took care of his pet dog. Okay, so we also need to take care of our pets, right? Do we need to take care of our pets? Do we need to take care of our pets? Yes, we have to take care of our pets. So, how we should take care of our pets? How we should take care of our pets? How? Yes, we can give them food. Okay, then we can give a bath. Right, then we can take for a walk. Then we can keep in a clean place. Right, then we can take to a animal doctor when they are sick. Okay, understood. So we can write. So what are the ways we can take care of our pet animals? Okay, so first point, what? Give them food. Give them food to eat. Give them food. Then second one is give a bath. Okay, give a bath. Give a bath. Then take for a walk. Take for a walk. Then keep in a clean place. Keep in a clean place. Then take to an animal doctor. Okay, take to an animal doctor when they are sick. Okay, animal doctor when they are sick. Doctor, take to an animal doctor if sick. If they have sick. So this is the way we have to take care of our pet animals. Okay, give them food, give a bath. Okay, then take for a walk, keep in a clean place, then take to an animal doctor if they are sick. Understood? So this is the way we have to take care of our pet animals. What are the ways taking care of pet animals? Which are the ways? Okay, which are the way we can take care of our pet animals? Give them food. Okay, then give a bath. Okay, then take for a walk. Then keep in a clean and neat place. Okay, then if they are sick, take to an animal doctor. Okay, understood? So see, we need to take the pets when they are sick. See, when the pet dogs have sick, so we have to take them to an animal doctor. Okay, Yeah? So if they have sick, we have to take our pet animals to an animal doctor. Understood? Understood, children? See, listen, children. Why do different pet animals need different types of care? Why do different pet animals need different types of care? See, different pet animals need different types of care because different pet animals have different needs. Right? Different pet animals have different needs. Right, children? Yes. For example, dogs. See, the dogs need to be taken for a walk every day. Right? Yes. Then what about fish? But we no need to take fish for a walk. Why? Why? Fish lives in water. Okay, fish lives in water. They lives in their container or in a cage. Okay, understood? So we need to take dogs for a walk every day, but we no need to take fish for a walk every day. It lives in water. Understood? So, and also they need different types of food. Okay, according to the pets, we have to the different types of food which would keep them healthy. Right? So we have to give the different types of food according to the pets which would keep them healthy and fit. Understood, children? Understood which are the way of taking care of pets? Understood? Yes. Then take your workbook, page number 22. Take page number 22. Taking care of pets. Yes. You have to write today's date. Okay. Date. Then color the bonds that show the correct way of taking care of pets. Okay. Color the bonds that show the correct way of taking care of a pet. Which are the correct way of taking care of pets? Take it for a walk. Yes, is the correct way? Yes, we have to take our pets for a walk. Then always keep it tied up. We have to keep our pets always keep tied up. No, so this is not the correct way. Then, so let it search for its own food. Let it search for its own food. No, we have to give them food. Then give it a bath regularly. Right, that's the correct way of taking care of pets. Right, then allow it to rest. Correct way? Yes. Then you have to color which one? Take it for a walk. Then give it a bath regularly. Then allow it to rest. Okay, 3. Understood, children? Yes. Then second one, Rahul's father gave him a pet cat. Okay, then suggest ways in which Rahul can take care of his cat. Understood? Rahul's father gave him a pet cat. Suggest ways in which Rahul can take care of his cat. How? How Rahul can take care of his pet cat? First of all, Rahul have to keep in a clean place. Okay, so the Rahul can keep cat in a clean and neat place, and he can give what? Food to cat. Understood? So what you have to write? He can keep cat in a clean and neat place, and he can food to cat. Okay, he can give food on time. Okay, he can give food on time. Then third question, Mehak. Okay, one boy named Mehak has a parrot and a fish as pet at home. Okay, he has parrot and fish as pet at home. What is the difference in taking care of the two pets? Okay, so what are the different way to taking care of two pets, parrot and fish? See, the parrots needs to be kept in a closed container or in a cage. Understood? So the parrots needs to be kept in a container or in a cage. What about fish? The fish need to be kept in a aquarium because fish lives in water. Understood? Fish lives in water. Understood, children? Parrot should be kept in a container or in a cage. Then but fish should be kept in a aquarium because fish lives in water. Understood? Yes. Then from the content book PQ 7 and 8. From the content book PQ 7 and 8. Page number 18. Okay, page number 18. If you had a pet fish at home, okay, if you had a pet fish at home, how would you take care of it? How would you take care of it? According to you, you can write your answer. Okay, yes. So, if you had a pet fish at home, how would you take care of it? Understood? You can write, see, pet fish. See, what? See, I will keep fish in an aquarium. Then I will give food. Okay, some examples. Then, if your dog has hurt his leg, what will you do? If your dog has hurt his leg, what will you do? Yes. See, if our pet dog if our pet dog got sick or any wound, okay. See, where do we need to take? Where do we need to take? Where? Yes, very good. To an animal doctor. So we can take this dog to an animal doctor. Okay, so we can write, I will take to the dog to an animal doctor. Okay, I will take this dog to an animal doctor. Understood? Yes. So read the content book very well. Okay, read the content book very well. See, pet animals, this animals at home, this dogs as a desirable pet. Okay, then qualities of a pet animal, then the taking care of pet animals. Okay, read the content book. Okay, so I hope understood this part. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.